and most importantly, you people are safe in this pandemic situation, guys. Be safe, you and your family too, guys. So we all know that we have got enough time for us now. We're all in lockdown and we have something to do for us. So do something for you, like don't be just lazy and sit down, because we have got enough time. So actually do something, guys. So guys, today is my video about abs workout or belly fat workout. So please see this video till end, and I am telling you it's a very easy workout thing. I will just show you around 9 to 10 workouts. Nothing difficult, nothing at all. You do not need any types of equipment or machine, nothing at all for doing this workout. So please see this video. Please subscribe my channel, guys, and hit the like button if you really like this video, and also follow me on Instagram. Workout today I will show you. You have to do 15 times per set and 3 sets for each workout. So guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Before workout, do a warm up. You can do high knee or jogging, anything you like, but warm up your body before workout. At least do 1 to 5 minutes of warm up before workout. Jumping jacks is a exercise which will help your lung, heart and your muscle at the same time. Do it at least for 15 times per set, and as I say you, 3 sets for each workout. Toe touches, do it at least for 20 to 30 times. It will raise the mobility of your body. Press, as you can see, I am doing up and down, but don't keep your feet in the ground. Keep a distance from the ground, as you can see, and it is a very good workout for belly fat. Leg raise, it will help your belly fat as well as your hip fat. Do it alternatively in your right and left leg, and do it for 2 times for each leg, and do at least 15 times per set. Here comes the full sit-ups. It's really work wonder for your belly fat. It will reduce the belly fat very fast if you are doing it every day, and do at least 15 times per set. Sit-up is a very good workout for belly fat. It's very target your abdomen position. It is similar to crunches, and you can do 15 times per set. Bridges, and just to tap up and down, and when you are raising your leg and moving it down, maintain a distance from the ground. Don't touch the ground with your feet. Always maintain a distance is the procedure, and do it for 15 times per set. In and out is a workout which will help your full body to be strengthened up, and it's provide a great flexibility to your body. So do it like this way, and do it for 15 to 20 times, as you can do for 3 sets.